G'day guys. You might not know, I've never mentioned, I used to have a lot of Alfas in my time and it rubbed off on my brother. So basically here we've done on this model, which is the last of the Busso factory 156s, whatever. It's that engine that we all love. We've put an exhaust system on it and give it a whirl, bro. You can only really get that like from Ferraris and that noise. Well, look at that Volkswagen with it jammed. No, oh, it just popped back. That little V-dub thing was stuck. I saw it. Okay, so this is this car. We've done a bit of work on it, and it's a great car. It's got the Q automatic system in it. Pop the hood, bro, which a lot of you might not like. So I've had a 33, I've had the 75s, I've had a 155. Where's the thing? So we're going to do a timing belt and all that on it and make videos about that, but this is one of my all-time favourite cars. It really is. Love it. And I can see my 155, like the old 155, it's all the same up here. I mean, check out these bolts. Look at these bolts. And look what my Subaru has. It's got those little tiny little shit bolts. But you know, like, it's nice and rigid to drive. And anyway, it's a beautiful car.
Thank you for a spin.
You can't do that in a Subaru, I don't think. Or maybe I can.
So I'll flip it into the Q system mode.
And that's the Aisin transmission, made in Japan. It's actually got an ice button, not a snowflake. Sounds great. He's just done it, so it'll, over time, it'll get deeper. Whack it in a second. What's that noise? There's a wheel bearing gone here, mate.
Yeah, on that left.
There's a wheel bearing gone. Left foot. Why didn't you tell me?
Just happened when I put the car on the voice.
But it's weird. It sounds like a. It's not a. It's like a. Why isn't it doing it now? That's one hell of a weird wheel bearing noise.
Happened when we put the car on the hoist, did the brakes.
You're kidding. Are you sure? It sounds like it's. Hard to tell.
What?
That's not a wheel bearing noise. It's something knocking. It's something going.
Shocks.
Yeah.
Maybe shocks.
Something different, but you need a smooth road to tell. Give it some stick. How's the brakes? Yeah, they good?
Yeah.
the cross drilled?
Yeah, very good. Much better.
Just can't beat Alfa for the styling. I mean, look at the steering wheel, and is that Momo? It's got to be. Looks like a Momo wheel.
Seats are a Cara.
Seats Cara. And they're just a depreciation disaster, as we know. I mean, it's great value. You can pick up a car like this for what, 12, 13 grand? Less. You're always going to need to allow for work. To really start to feel it in the you know, they need revs. They love their revs. What's that noise? A wheel bearing goes. It's not a wheel bearing. I mean, how long can you leave your girlfriend on the bench for? I mean, how long?
Not much longer, I don't think.
Actually, drop me up here.
Where's your car?
Oh, my car's up, but my son's there.
Right.
And then I can video you going past. Get it bouncing on the limiter. Get the carbon out, bro. Get that carbon out. You gotta rev it. Trust me.
Bro.
Trust me, man. Alright, love you, mate.
Alright, mate. See you later. See you, bro.
See you, mate. Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. It's getting louder. He doesn't realise it's going to get a lot louder. Here we go. Sounds awesome. Oh, I can see the grey stuff coming out the back. That's pretty hardcore for my brother, actually. Anyway, I hope this video is not too boring, but I'm going to post it. I used to get a lot of Alfas in, but people get rid of them, you know. I got the Breras in and all of them, tons. Oh, well, I've got that JTD, but yeah, like they're sort of not a car people hold on to. Regular mainstream people, and they never buy them again. Like those, you know, those days are gone of the Alfa sort of, you know, you buy another Alfa, but they're back, and who knows, you're gonna see a lot more of them, hopefully. I think they're great.